By the end of this video, you will know how to add a discount to an invoice in Clio Manage. Start in the left sidebar and select Billing. This opens the billing area where your invoices are listed. From there, find the invoice that needs the discount and open it. You may be working from a list view with several invoices visible, so take a moment to confirm that you are opening the correct one before making any changes. Once the invoice is open, click Edit Invoice. This puts the invoice into an editable view, so you can update the pricing details. After the invoice switches into edit mode, look toward the section near the invoice subtotal. That is where you will find the discount field. Click into the discount field and enter the discount amount you want to apply. This amount can represent different kinds of discounts, so after entering the value, use the drop-down beside the discount field to choose the discount type. In that drop-down, select the option that matches how you want the discount applied, such as a percentage or a fixed amount. Make sure the type matches the amount you entered, since a number can produce a different result depending on whether it is treated as a percent or a flat deduction. If you want to include an explanation, move to the discount note field and enter a short note describing the reason for the discount. This part is optional, so you can leave it blank if no note is needed. If your billing process requires added context for internal records or for the person receiving the invoice, this is where that information can be included in general terms. After the discount amount, discount type, and optional note are in place, review the updated invoice total. This is the point where you confirm that the total reflects the intended reduction. Look at the subtotal area and the final amount due to make sure the invoice now shows the correct balance. If anything looks off, stay on the edit screen and check the discount value and the selection in the dropdown before saving. A fixed amount and a percentage can lead to very different totals, so this is the main detail to verify during review. When everything looks correct, click Save Invoice. This applies the discount to the invoice and saves the updated version in Clio Manage. After saving, the invoice will reflect the discount you entered along with any note you chose to include. The invoice now includes the discount and the updated total in Clio Manage.